Elena, are you there?
Turn up your volume a little bit. Yeah, so you can hear me a little bit better. You can hear me? There you go, Abuela. See?
Well, you look beautiful. I love your hair like that.
I did a little curl today.
So we're going to do the stuffing that you love, the sausage stuffing, mija. And we're going to start by preheating our oven at 375.
I can handle that.
So you ready?
Yes.
All right.
I miss you so much, but I'm so glad that we can cook together still.
Yes, honey. At least we can do it this time together, and pretty soon we'll do it together for real. You start your pan going. Just a small flame, not large. Just enough to saute our ingredients, which are celery, onion, and jalapeño. Yeah, for that little kick, little patada, as we say in Spanish. Now your pimentos to add that beautiful color.
All right, I'm gonna switch it up. I'm gonna do fresh red pepper.
Oh,
I'm using all fresh vegetables.
Now, put it all together. You'll need your cornbread.
Yes. I made cornbread from scratch. Isn't that
looks
beautiful?
delicious. Now, let's add our broth. It could be chicken or it can be vegetable.
Yes, so I made my homemade vegetable broth. All right, Abuela, is that the way it's supposed to look?
Hold it up a little bit. Oh, yeah, perfect.
Oh,
Perfect.
beautiful.
Perfect. Now, your salchichon. Your Parmesan smoked sausage. So we're going to cut half of it. Set half aside. See, half. You can eat them just like that, like when you were a little girl. I think it's ready to go in the casserole dish or whatever you're going to use, your cacerola.
Oh, colorful.
That smells so good. You know, I could eat it just out of the pan right now.
Patience, Abuela.
So it's ready to go in the oven, mija. You ready? 30 minutes. It's gonna get nice and brown.
All right.
All right,
I'm
mija.
so happy we can do this together, Abuela.
I love you, honey. See you in 30. Here we go. Ooh, it smells so good. Let me see. Hold it up. Oh, it looks just like mine.
Look how beautiful
at
that is.
See?
It's just like yours, Abuela.
I'm so glad that we could do this together, mija, and share the recipes that my abuela handed down to me. And now you're inheriting them from me. And don't forget, they are in Spanish, so you have to brush up.
Yeah, I'll keep the tradition alive, I promise. Adios.
Besitos. Bye-bye.